Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So let's start. So I'm here on my browser Google and just looking for Amazon Associates. So then you have to go click to the first option that says Amazon.com. Just click there and you will send to this page that says Amazon Associates. So the only thing that you have to do is click on sign up, and then well you have to click on your account information. If your information is okay, well just click on next. If not, just click on select different address. So if you have to someone else and you need entered information, just click here and you can click on the contact name. So well, just click on next, and then you can add your websites or mobile apps. So here you have to enter your websites and your mobile app. So if you have it, you can do it. So for example, just click on the page that you want to sign up. In this case, well, you can put, for example, and then when you click on your page, just click on next. Your website and mobile apps, this instruction lists all the top level websites and mobile apps on which plan. So if it says earn any of the traffic sources about direct primarily at children under 13, and you click yes or no, and then click no and just confirm. Then just have to complete your profile. So you have to watch your preferred SSA store ID. Tell us about the content you create. You click here on description, and then just click on the following describes contact, blog, search, and like skills. How did you hear about us? So just blog post, and just click on the captcha. Here you can write the captcha, you can put the conditions, and then finish. So in this part, then you can start using Associate Central. So if you fill everything, then you have to go to the final part, that is this one, and then you will take part in Amazon Associates without any problem and start selling your product or your service. So that is the way to sign up on Amazon affiliate program without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.